Are you burned out with your job, or do you know somebody that is looking for a career change that could possibly work remote? Well, hi, my name is Rob, and this is me. Well, that was me back in 2014. I was in the military flying helicopters, and when I got out of the military, I really didn't know what I wanted to do with my life. I was 35 at the time, and I still had my entire life in front of me. So fast forward to today, I've been teaching people how to code at coding boot camps for the past 4 years. Now, although these boot camps do work and they graduate developers in 15 or 24-week programs, you may have heard that they may start off with 20 people, and then at graduation they may be down to 15 people. So you end up losing people, and I saw this as a common problem with every cohort, and it's because of the following. The course goes too fast, and if they were to be exposed to some of these fundamentals of coding or an intro to problem-solving skills, they would have been fine. Now, that is why I created this program called PreCodeCamp. PreCodeCamp is for those out there that are looking to get into coding. So if you're a waiter or a waitress looking to change a career, or if you're looking for something that will allow you to get paid to develop at home or on a beach, because a software developer can actually be in a remote position and you don't have to report to a physical office. So PreCodeCamp is also going to be there for those that are looking to get a head start in learning software development. So if you go through our process, you'll actually have a higher success rate in passing a boot camp that is getting ready to start. So if you enroll in PreCodeCamp, not only are you going to get access to all the material with the video that will help you launch your learning adventure, but you'll also get assigned a personal tutor. You'll be part of a community that we actually have available on Discord, where you'll be able to ask your questions and you'll be able to see an answer from a verified developer. So you can get your questions answered in a timely manner. So I hope you sort of see a theme here, that you're going to be able to learn the material through video. You're going to test your knowledge through challenges. You're going to have an accountability coach that will help make sure that you are meeting your weekly goals, and you'll be part of a community that will be able to help answer your questions at the time that you're needing it the most. Now, the language that you're going to be learning in our program is JavaScript. That is what runs the web. And even if your boot camp that you are currently enrolled in is teaching that, well, most boot camps give you pre-work, and they expect you to do that on your own. However, what they don't give you is access to any of the instructors or the TAs before you actually start the course. Again, that is why PreCodeCamp is there to help you out. So we would love for you to take a look at the PreCodeCamp website. Would love that you to notice that we're not collecting any money on the actual website itself, nor is there any way to sign up directly for our services through the webpage. Now, the reason why is because we want to personally interview you first to make sure that you are able to make the commitment, that you are interviewing us as well to make sure that we are a right fit for you. Just because you have blood running through your veins doesn't mean that this program that we want to collect your money. So this program is meant to be 4 weeks long, where we'll be spending at least 2 to 3 hours a day going through the modules and challenges. That will be your responsibility. You will then meet with your tutor at a minimum of once per week to be tested by them, and they will also unlock modules for you. Now, depending upon what kind of plan you end up going with, most people will have about 5 hours of tutor time. So what do you say? Fill out that contact form and let's go ahead and schedule a meeting.